Let's make vegan ravioli. Start with flour and salt, add olive oil and room temperature water. Stir this together until it starts to clump. Knead it, cover the dough, and place it in the refrigerator. Saute fresh greens in olive oil, dice them, and then add them to a medium bowl. Add cream cheese, mozzarella, and Parmesan, all vegan. Add fresh herbs, garlic powder, and pepper. Combine this to make your filling. Now roll out your dough, cut circles, and add your filling. Wet the edge of the top and press it face down. Seal the pocket with a fork. Boil the ravioli until it floats. Add sauce and garnish. Find the full recipe and other tips on the blog.